Hey guys, okay, so today I will be showing you guys, Rascal, come here, with some tricks with my dog Rascal. So I'll be back as soon as I get everything set up. Bye. Okay guys, so I think we're ready. As you can see, I am all dressed for school. Rascal, come. Rascal, come. Rascal, sit. Good boy. Rascal. Lay down, Bubba. Come on, lay down. Rascal, down. No. What was that? Sit. Stand. Spin. Stand, Bubba. Over here. Sit. Stand. Good boy. Isn't he amazing? Oh, he tried to steal from the ball. No, baby. Rascal, sit. Rascal, down. Sit. Rascal, lay down. Come on, Bubba, lay down. What is that? Sit. Rascal, sit. No. Rascal, sit. Rascal, sit. Rascal, stand. Rascal, spin. Come in. Sit. Stand. Sit pretty. Good boy. Okay, so really quick, I don't know if you guys saw that, but he just sat pretty. And I've never tried to teach him that, but he did. Okay, Rascal. Sit. Rascal, sit. Rascal, lay down. Lay down. Lay down. No. Sit. Good boy. Stay. Rascal, lay down. Lay down. No bite. Yeah, the food's in my hand. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Come on, Bubba. Really quick, I'm going to help him lay down. Rascal. Sit. Lay down, Bubba. Come on. Roll over. No. He won't roll over. He usually loves to roll over. Come over, sit. Oh, Rascal. Get out of the kitchen. Sorry, guys. Come on, baby. Come on. Sit. Sit. Rascal. Sit. Rascal, down. Okay. Rascal, roll over. Roll over again. Come here, Bubba. That deserves a big treat. See, I don't know if you guys saw that. I hope you did. He just rolled over 2 times. By the way, this is my cheese, but thought I would do a fun little video with you guys. It is 6:50 right now. Bye. See you guys in my next video. Oh, come here, Rascal. Come on. Rascal, come. Ew, don't get it off. Gotcha. This is Rascal the dog. He is my puppy. If you haven't subscribed, go do that. And see you guys later. Also, in the comments, if you know how to check your subscribers, please do so. Because my mom wants to know. Shout out to Rascal, my dog. Also, whoever subscribes gets a shout out. Yeah, well, whoever subscribes and comments, like hi or sup, gets a shout out. No. So, bye for now. Love my cheese. Love the cheese. Bye, guys. Have an amazing, wonderful day.